Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can use on your keyboard handy typing, or you want to use on setting how you can use handy typing on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, move on setting. After that, from here friends, you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, okay, and here you can see this option of the additional settings. So friends, you have to click on additional setting. When you click on additional setting, here you can see language and region option. From here you can select on the language and region, and from here you are going to find under the language and region, here is the add a language. Click on add a language. After that, from here you can select Hindi. Okay, suppose you want to set Hindi language, then from here you can select Hindi. So here is the Hindi. From here you just tap on Hindi. After that, this Hindi will be successfully set on your mobile phone. Okay friends, so friends, if you want to set on your keyboard also, then here you can just move on this search setting. Okay, here is the search setting. After that, click on this setting here on the keyboard. When you click on setting, from here you can see languages. So friends, click on languages. After that, from here you can add keyboard, and from here you can select for the keyboard also the Hindi. Okay, Hindi or English and Bangla, Marathi, Tamil, Gujarati. From here any of the language. Okay, you can select from here. So friends, after select from here, then just click on done, and this language will be set successfully as your keyboard language. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.